If you've never used acrylic before, you might be wondering which acrylic paints to buy. Let me help you. Hi, I'm Cynthia. If you like art, please subscribe. I would love to have you back. I post videos every week. Spread the word. There's a lot of good acrylic paint brands out there. If you're not too sure if you're gonna love acrylic paints, I suggest that you get student quality paints. I like the brand Basics by Liquitex. It's their student range. I suggest that you buy a red, yellow, blue, a black, and the biggest tube of white you can find. From there, you can mix all the different colors you want, and it's a great starting point. You can also look for prepackaged bundles. Sometimes you can get a really good deal with a bunch of different colors in there. If you're a more experienced artist and if you plan to sell your work, I suggest that you buy artist quality acrylic paints. I love Liquitex. They come in two different consistencies. The heavy body, which is really thick. You can get nice texture on the canvas. And the soft body, which can be used with thinner layers and beautiful seamless gradients. I have to say that I really love the soft body packaging. It comes with a little spout. I feel like it prevents wasting too much paint when you squeeze it out of the tube, and it also allows you to use the tube directly on canvas for more abstract effects. And for artist quality paints, I suggest that you get the light cadmium-free yellow, the medium cadmium-free red, cobalt blue, Mars black, and again, the biggest tub of white you can find. We use a lot of white. If you want more inspiration, please subscribe and watch this next.